shares, Indonesia's composite index grew positively in 2022. The index stock price rose 4.09% year-on-year, reaching a record high 7,318 points.
Indonesian Vice President Ma'ruf Amin rang the closing bell at the Indonesian Stock Exchange for the last trading day of 2022. The Indonesian Composite Index stock price has grown positively in the year, reaching 6,850.52 on the 28th of December, which is an increase of 4.09% from the 30th of December 2021 last year. The IDX Composite Index growth broke a new record, reaching 7,318.16 points on the 13th of December in 2022. On the 28th of December, the Indonesian Stock Exchange capital markets reached 9,509 trillion rupiah, up 15.2% compared to 2021, and also reached a record high of 9,600 trillion rupiah this year in December. There was also a significant increase in trading compared to last year. The average daily transaction value was recorded at 14.7 trillion rupiah, up 10% from 2021. Meanwhile, the daily transaction frequency has also reached 1.31 million transactions, up 1.1% compared to the end of 2021, higher than other values from exchanges in the ASEAN region over the past 4 years. The average daily volume of transactions has reached 23.9 billion shares.
BI bersama OJK dan SAO telah berhasil membukukan sejumlah pencapaian di sepanjang tahun 2022. Salah satunya adalah peluncuran papan catatan baru yang dilakukan pada tanggal 5 Desember 2022, yaitu papan utama New Economy baru. Papan utama ekonomi baru ini diharapkan dapat menjadi wadah bagi perusahaan menggunakan teknologi untuk menciptakan inovasi produk dan atau jasa dan dapat meningkatkan produktivitas, memberikan pertumbuhan ekonomi dan memiliki kemanfaatan sosial. Sepanjang tahun 2022, BI juga meluncurkan notasi khusus baru sebagai bentuk upaya dalam melakukan perlindungan investor dan menyediakan keterbukaan informasi yang terkini bagi para investor.
In 2022, the interest of companies to mobilize long-term funds through the capital market continued to increase up until the last trading day in 2022. In total, there have been 59 listed companies conducting initial public offerings, listing their shares on the Indonesian Stock Exchange. Now there's a total of 825 companies that have listed their shares. Total funds raised from IPO shares reached 33.6 trillion rupiah, an achievement, as it is the most IPOs in the ASEAN region in the last 4 years. This positive achievement is also reflected in the increasing public interest in investing in the Indonesian Stock Exchange. The total number of investors in the Indonesian Stock Exchange capital markets as of December 28, 2022, increased by 37.5% from last year, reaching 10.3 million investors at the end of December 2022.